In this video, we will learn about abatement of air pollution. First, we have to have a control over vehicular pollution. For this, we have to shift from using of fossil fuel to a more eco-friendly method. So, use of fossil fuel like petrol and diesel should be phased out and be replaced by unleaded petrol, fossil fuel with low sulfur content or compressed natural gas should be used. Vehicles should be regularly checked for vehicular emissions and engines be kept properly tuned up. Use of filters or catalytic converters in motor engines also help in reducing air pollution with toxic vehicular exhaust. Switching off of engine at traffic signals will also avoid pollution, and improvement in the efficiency of internal combustion engines can also reduce air pollution. Next, we have to control the industrial pollution level. So there should be proper selection and zoning of sites for setting up such factories and industries which are away from the human settlements so that it can dispose all the harmful factory emissions easily. Factories should have tall chimneys so that particulate matter settles down at the base of the chimney and does not reach air. To separate particulate matter, the factory exhaust should be exposed to various types of mechanical, technical devices such as electrostatic precipitators, cyclone collectors, filters, gravity settling chambers or scrubbers. Now, standards for air quality should be set and then strictly observed by both government and public agencies. Large-scale tree plantation is essential for reducing air pollution. Trees utilize carbon dioxide and release oxygen, thus purifying the air for breathing and acting as a sink for carbon dioxide. Environment protection laws should be strictly enforced with strict punishment to the violators. Air quality standards and National Ambient Air Quality Standards India, they both have set standardized rule for both of them. So as early as 1971, the United States Environmental Protection Agency, that is EPA, had set national air quality standards. They are based on the relative toxicity of different pollutants. The Central Pollution Control Board, that is CPCB, located in New Delhi, under the Prevention and Control of Air Pollution Act 1981, has also notified National Ambient Air Quality Standards for India. Now, if we see the table, it will tell us what is the level expected. So, air quality standards set by EPA and CPCB for primary pollutants are as follows. For carbon monoxide, if we see 9.0, not to exceed more than once per year for 8-hour period. Second, 35.0, not to exceed more than once per year for 1 hour period. So, the levels in mg per m cube is 10,000, relative toxicity is 1. Second, we have oxides of sulfur, which tolerance level is 0.5, and we have 1430 mg per m cube, and relative toxicity is 28.0. Oxides of nitrogen have tolerance of 0.25 and levels should be 514. Next, relative toxicity is 77.8. Hydrocarbons and particulates, there is no tolerance level, but their level has to be below 19,300 for hydrocarbons and 375 mg per m cube for particulates, and their relative toxicity is 2.07 and 106.7 respectively. And all these standards have to be maintained very strictly. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.